What's going on? Is it Dino? Is that how you pronounce it? Diano? What's going on? Is it Dino? Is that Diano? Dax, nothing much, man. Well, thanks for joining, as always. Dino? Okay, I had it right the first time. Alright, guys, so this is the Leaf Ultimates case. I have a list of the guys by team, so I'll try to do my best to refer to that. As I mentioned in the post, that Cespedes guy will be randomized to one team. So we do not have a spot for him, so he will be randomized. Pretty good, man. Good luck. You got some good teams. And tomorrow, guys, we will list the player break. It'll be 2 cases for the player break. And I think I have one more full after that. And then like 1.5 more after that one. Alright, good luck, guys. Good old Leaf Ultimates. Well, plenty of opportunity. Plenty of opportunity. Alright, first up we have Cole Wilcox, 215. And that's going to be Padres. Pick your player. Pick your player. We have a redemption. It is going to be Contreras. And that's going to be Yankees. Rosani Contreras. Maximo Acosta, 75. Acosta. is Rangers. I didn't have time. I was going to print the list out so I don't have to keep looking at my computer. Christian Roa. Looks like Cincinnati, I would assume. It says ultimate destination Cincinnati, so I would assume that is the Reds. Jeff Criswell to 50. Criswell is the Athletics. Jeff Criswell, Nick Gonzalez. Should be Pirates for Nick Gonzalez. I know a few of them. I don't know a lot, but I know a few of the guys. So that's going to do it for box number 1. Got Reed Detmers. That's the Angels. Reed Detmers. Casey Martin is 75. Casey Martin. Phillies. Casey Martin, Phillies. Bryce Ball to 75. Bryce Ball, I believe, is the Braves. Let me see. Yeah, Braves. Jared Kelly to 25. So guys, unfortunately, I can't look at every single guy like that. So, Luis Medina out of 5. So some of these bigger cards I'll look up, like out of 5. Otherwise, this break would take all night. Yankees, Luis Medina. But in the recap video, I'll make sure to have everybody by team. Eric Pena. And if you guys know the team and want to post it in the comments to help me out, that'd be greatly appreciated. But I think most people are just concerned with the big guys. And anything that's a really low numbered. So Eric Pena is the Royals. Some of them I know. We have Carmen Melodzinski out of 25 Pirates. The ones that were in what do you call it? We got Julio Rodriguez, Mariners. Pro debut. The guys that were in pro debut and they're in this, most of those I know. But if they're random new guys, yeah, that's true. See what you got, Soderstrom and one other guy. Dax Fulton, 75. Onyx, too. Some of these guys were in Onyx. Some were in Onyx, some were in Pro Debut. And then some of these guys weren't in either. Alex Santos to 75. Chris McMahon. 2 out of 2, Heston Kjerstad for the Orioles. Clear auto. Nice clear Kjerstad. Two out of 2. The recap is going to take almost as much as the break. Jordan Westburg to 15. Let me see who Westburg is. That's a low numbered. Westburg is the Orioles. Got a Connor Phillips redemption. Hudson Haskins is 75. Justin Foscue for the Rangers. I believe that's the Rangers. Hopefully I'm not wrong. Pete Crow Armstrong for the Mets. Got plenty of top loaders ready for this one. Zach Veen, 50. Veen, I think, is the Rockies, right? Somebody had Veen. I think Veen's the Rockies. Oh, Eric, didn't you have Veen? Good old Zach Veen. Not a fan of how some of these things are open already. Jerry Jones, 75. Breaks complete. G. Wan Bay, 75. Yeah, they used to always do that. I think they were like, let's save some money and not top load it. Debbie Garcia, 75 for the Yankees. Which, if you think about it, they were probably spending a lot on top loaders. They were top loading every one of these. I mean, I would imagine it adds up. That was a nice thing about it. Hold on, guys. Let me let these people in. Dillinger, 75. That's a good question. That is a good question. Kobe Mayo to 50. And Ronald Acuna for the Braves. Yes, it is a vet. Mr. Acuna. It's not a lot of vets, but there's a few. Yeah, I know, I'm trying to avoid showing it, but it's tough. Jarren Duran, the 50 Red Sox. Wilfred Patino, I believe is the D-backs, if I'm correct. No, absolutely not. I need some more top loaders. We have Ricky Vanasco. Seth Corey to 25. Let's look this one up. Low numbered one. Seth Corey is the Giants. Ryan Zefferjan, 75. Old Zefferjan. Ed Howard. Ed Howard is Phillies or maybe Cardinals. He's one of them. Might be first Cardinal. So we have 6 left. 6 left. And you might have more. Like I said, some of these guys, you might have Ed Howard's the Cubs. We got Yolbert Sanchez. Looks like White Sox. See, that's why I don't try to guess. Because when I guess, I'm nowhere close. Nick Garcia to 75. But for the player break, I will definitely have my list. Which really doesn't matter for the player break, because you're not doing it based on team. Edward Cabrera, 50. Oh, man. I like it. Everson Pereira, 25 Yankees. Hey, man, I appreciate the hustle. Geraldo Perdomo, 15. Let's see where Mr. Perdomo is. Perdomo. D-backs. Perdomo is the D-backs. Got a nice one coming up. Mr. Jason Dominguez, Yankees. Not numbered though. If only it was numbered. Had a couple big hits. Not many low numbered ones though, unfortunately. But with it being so many autographs per box, we have Cole Henry 250. Bryce Elder 225. Should be the Braves. Bryce Elder. Novelli Marte 15 Mariners. Nick Lofton 75. This looks like a, well, looks like an A's guy, but maybe not. Might not be the A's. Could just have a A's looking jersey. Armando Cruz to 50. You wanted him. There he is. Wander Franco for the Rays. Mr. Wander. Four lifts. We've added Dominguez, a Wander, Acuna. Aaron Sabato. Mason Wynn to 25. Yeah, I don't know how we haven't pulled one Carlson. He would seem like he's popular. Ronnie Mauricio, Mets. There's a Cardinal, Jordan Walker. 75 Cardinals. It's not a Carlson. Oh, man. I should have got a lot more top load. We have Carson Tucker, 275. Another vet, Sammy Sosa, Cubs. I forgot old Sammy Sosa was in it. Out of 50. Yeah, I can't remember the last Sammy Sosa autograph I've seen. We have Kyle Harrison. Austin Wells to 75. Casey Schmidt. Does he even sign a lot, though? Sosa? I would think he doesn't even sign that often. Maybe he does. Bull Caraway to 25. Let's see where this one goes. Bull Caraway. That is the Cubs. Bull Caraway is the Cubbies. Gage Workman. We've got a plate coming up. And it is going to be of JT Ginn. And JT Ginn is the Mets. So that's going to go to the Mets. So congrats for the Mets. Two left. Two big old boxes. We have Patrick Bailey to 50. There's a Dylan Carlson, Cardinals. Not numbered. Clear auto. Ivan Herrera to 75. Mick Abel to 10. Let's see where Mick. I think Mick Abel's Phillies. Let's check. Phillies, yep. Phillies, Mick Abel to 10. Jackson Miller. Garrett Crochet to 75, White Sox. I don't have any of the small top loads. I'll use these. Alrighty, guys, last box. And then it'll be a long recap. We have Yiddy Cappy, 75 Marlins. Oh, the Yiddy. Sammy Infante to 75. Jonathan Stever. Looks like White Sox. Marco Luciano, 75, Giants. JT Ginn. We knows the Mets. And the last and final hits, Austin Martin, 75 for the Blue Jays. Oh, now the fun part. Now it's the great old recap. Alright, guys, we have Mason Wynn, 25. Aaron Sabato. Armando Cruz, 250. Nick Lofton, 275. Noelvi Marte, 15, Mariners. Bryce Elder, 25, Braves. Dylan Carlson, Cardinals. Patrick Bailey, 50. JT Ginn, 191 plate for the Mets. Gage Workman. Bull Caraway, 225, Cubs. Casey Schmidt. Austin Wells, 75. Kyle Harrison. Carson Tucker, 75. Jordan Walker, 75, Cardinals. Ronnie Mauricio, Mets. Austin Martin, 75, Blue Jays. JT Ginn for the Mets. Luciano, 75, Giants. Stever, White Sox. Sammy Infante, 75. Yiddy Cappy, 75 for the Marlins. Garrett Crochet, 75, White Sox. Jackson Miller. Mick Abel, 10 for the Phillies. Ivan Herrera, 75. Luis Medina, 5. Jared Kelly, 25. Bryce Ball, 75, Braves. Casey Martin, 75. Reed Detmers. Nick Gonzalez, Pirates. Jeff Criswell, 250. Christian Aroa, Reds. Maximo Acosto, 75. Rosani Contreras. Cole Wilcox, 15. Justin Foscue. Should be Rangers, I believe. Hudson Haskins, 75. Connor Phillips. Jordan Westberg, 15. Heston Kjerstad, 2/2, Orioles. Chris McMahon. Alex Santos, 75. Dax Fulton, 75. Julio Rodriguez, Mariners. Carmen Melodzinski, 25, Pirates. Eric Pena, Royals. Seth Corey, 25. Ricky Vanasco. Wildred Patino, D-backs. Jarren Duran, 50, Red Sox. Ronald Acuna, Braves. Kobe Mayo, 50. Dylan Dingler, 75. Deivi Garcia, 75, Yankees. Ji-Hwan Bae, 75. Jared Jones, 75. Zach Veen, 50, Rockies. Crow Armstrong, Mets. Sammy Sosa, 50, Cubs. Wander Franco, Rays. Cole Henry, 50. Jason Dominguez, Yanks. Geraldo Perdomo, 15. Everson Pereira, 25, Yankees. Edward Cabrera, 50. Nick Garcia, 75. Yolbert Sanchez, 50, White Sox. Ed Howard. And last but not least, Ryan Zefferjan, 75. So that is going to do it, guys, for the Leaf Ultimates. Thank you, as always.